Welcome to the Federal Register Notice table on BIS.gov. The Federal Register notices on this page are populated directly from the Federal Register website and are updated every hour, providing access to the most up-to-date information possible. This is reflected in the current as of bar at the top of the page. If you prefer to view Federal Register notices within an Excel file, click on the Export button to download the file to your computer. You have the ability to filter Federal Register notices by year. Simply clicking on the Year Published drop-down menu will show all available years dating back to 2002. On the table, you can quickly see the publication date, effective date, and comment periods as applicable, citation number, and titles of Federal Register notices. You will also see a new column titled Actions. In this column, there are three icons. The PDF icon allows you to open that specific Federal Register notice as a PDF. The FR icon allows you to navigate to the notice on the Federal Register website, and the plus enables you to see the Federal Register notice summary in line with the other pieces of information about that notice. If you are interested in reviewing and opening all summaries at the same time, you can click the Expand All Summaries button to expand all of the summaries present on this page. Conversely, clicking Collapse All Summaries will return you to the default condensed view. If you'd rather read a summary about a single Federal Register notice, you can click on the plus icon within the same row as a notice you want to learn more about. This is the first iteration of the Federal Register Notice table. As you interact with this page and find yourself thinking about additional features that would improve your experience, please share with the BIS website team. You can contact us at biswebsiteteam@bis.doc.gov.